in the city, California, California. Thank you. Today we're gonna make our fish tacos. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we need our nice washing of towel to wash our hands with these. Okay, well, Jason is only, doing everything, so I'm just trying to dry my hands. This is our fish tacos ingredients. So we have, what we have here is we have like coleslaw that's shredded. We also have what is the soft taco shells. And over here we have like taco fish that we're gonna put on it. However, this is the mayonnaise, mayonnaise that we squeeze it out. And this one with the watermelon, we're gonna make a smoothie. Da-da-da! Now we are going to get our nice, wonderful, healthy fish, and we're going to do it in the air fryer and the oven. Now grab our tongs.
I got it right here.
Okay. Now Jessie's gonna open it. Go ahead, Jessie. And how are they, Jessie?
Nice and crispy, kiddos.
Okay, now all you gotta do is be careful so you're not gonna burn.
I just broke it.
Well, that's okay. That's okay. Well, that'll be yours now, so I'm just kidding. Always check the timer and make sure that it's cooked properly. Once the fish is cooked, we are going to now start with the ingredients now that we're gonna put it with our taco shells. As always, dump everything. All the shredded coleslaw. So now we add our lime juice. I'll just pour a little bit, okay? Just like this. Do all the nice stirring. La la la, la la lee. Pour it. Look at this. Isn't that wonderful? It's easy to do. Like this. Oh, wonderful. Is that wonderful, Jessie?
It's wonderful.
And then we put our shredded cabbage in the tortilla shells with a little bit of yummy fish. And then we wrap it in nicely. Yummy. And that's it, guys. This is how we make our fish tacos. But right now, Jessie's putting the watermelon in the blender. We can actually add strawberries with this too. That might be good. So we're just gonna make sure how Jessie's making out. So we're, how are you making out, Jess?
Doing good, kiddos.
That's good. Blended Jessie, blended Jessie. Okay, so have a seat on our lovely table. Matthew is now pouring our special watermelon smoothie. You guys need a spoon. Oh!
Oh, way go, Matthew!
Life gives you lemons, it would be good with lemonade. Oh, that's so good, Shaun.